How many of us have actually in our life, right now, mashallah, most of you are young as well, how many of us have sat down, gone through our financial statements and everything to fill out taxes? Thus far. Mashallah. 1, 2. No taxes. Mashallah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. HR block. Right. So everyone does it, right? Because the law demands it. Even if you are a student, you have to fill out empty forms and sign it and give it. Right? So the law demands it. But Allah's law demands zakat. How many of us have sat down to calculate what our possessions are, which can be counted as zakatable assets, and whether they have been sitting with us for over a year, whether we come to the benchmark of whether we are poor or rich according to Islam, so that we can maybe dispense zakat, or maybe we become eligible for zakat. We don't even think about it. We'll think about it when we start earning, right? But we'll still have our PS4 and we'll still have all our goodies and everything in our bank, right? No. This is the fard, right? As soon as you became baligh, now you must start worrying about what you have. Most of those items are not zakatable, honestly, right? But you need to actually make an effort to figure out what you have that is zakatable. Sometimes you have something lying around which is zakatable, but you never know about it, especially when it comes to ladies. They might have jewelry. They get gifts from their brothers and then parents and everything. Oh, the grandmother is giving a jewelry set. It's back in the back of the like in your cupboard or something like that, safe or this and that, right? You have no clue how much gold or silver in there, how many small trinkets and everything like that. What do they weigh? Nothing. You have never done it. So who's going to do this ita zakah? Only the millionaires? If they were giving out so much sadaqah and everything, our ummah would be flourishing. So these kind of ibadiyat everyone has to do. So make your intention right now. This is the Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That's why he's telling, ita is zakah is part of your Islam. You cannot live without it. So start wondering whether you are, because if you're not eligible to dispense zakah, then you're eligible to receive it. Okay? And being eligible to receive the zakah is not blameworthy. Because wealth is not something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that you earn. Allah gives, as we will do in the next hadith.